Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about AI and job security. I'm hearing a lot of fear-mongering that AI is going to take away people's jobs, and it's getting a little bit old. Having said that, there are some people who will need to rethink their job and their contribution and how that's done when it comes to work, and we've seen this before. This is not new. I still remember the little red caboose, and in this article, I actually had AI draw me one. The little red caboose was on the end of every train, and it was one person's job to be in that caboose always. With the advent of technology, there came a time when we didn't need a person in that last car. Technology was going to take care of what that person was doing, and everyone was up in arms that all these people were going to lose their jobs. And yes, they were going to lose that job. But lo and behold, the new technology meant that there were new jobs, there were new opportunities. Could these people be the ones that troubleshoot the technology or help us get the next iteration or do something else in that same industry, even for the same employer? You could also say that the advent of the operator and the phones was the same thing. It was mostly women. It was all manual, putting the calls through, and those jobs went away. But that was menial work. It wasn't very satisfying, and there were new opportunities, and they found new jobs. You could argue it's not fair. They could lose their jobs, or they could be trained for something else. So since the Industrial Revolution, we've been very focused on using technologies to gain efficiencies and safety, replacing lower-level jobs, yes, and the more mundane work. This has increased accuracy, safety, as I said, and allows people to perform more meaningful work. The focus of AI is similar. It'll take care of some repetitive tasks, big data, things that could be outlined and AI could do them. But what makes this different is that AI is also going to do some creative work, coming up with titles, analysis of medical scans and images, troubleshooting programming tools, writing code from directions and specs, things that typically have been higher wage earners and higher performing mental capacity. AI is going to help with some of that, and yes, it will change some people's jobs. But instead of looking at the half-empty road, the scarcity mentality, it is time to realize that there are some new skills and some new jobs that are part of AI coming into our lives and our world. It is a tool, and we can learn how to use it well. If AI helps you with the marketing and summarizing those longer contracts and some other mundane tasks, that'll free you up to get to the job sites, to get with your employees, to go meet with your vendors, to send some hand notes, to consider some other growth and opportunities that are in front of you. So grab this opportunity. Let's see how we can turn this into a useful tool that will help, just like these other things have helped us over the years. Next time, I'll talk to you about another thought on this too. Thanks for your time, and have a great rest of your week.